This track and car combo has been a real struggle this week. I must have had 6 or 7 races, and most of the time I'm making mistakes. I have been taken out a couple of times, but most of the time it's my mistakes, and I'm just not getting any results. I keep having to fight back from the back of the field because I keep going off.
Right side, clear.
Oh, there's a big crash behind. Look at that. Okay, well, the last race I was in, this is what happened. It was just me and the leader, and I made a stupid mistake and span off. So I'm not going to count my chickens. I'm hoping we'll just have a quiet race, and maybe I can stick with him, push him into an error, and get the win. Let's see. Or I'll make a mistake and throw it all away again. Yeah, overbraked a bit there. Overcommitted. Can't go flat out up here on the first lap, I found. Okay, let's just keep with him if we can. Use his slipstream, drag us along. And see where we're at. Looks like there's people having problems behind as well. Yeah, a lot of people having problems. So we've got no one behind us. This is it, I think. No one's going to catch us, I don't think. Based on qualifying. So it's just a straight race.
1-0-1. Okay, you're in second.
Been coming down to first to get stopped, and I can pull out in first.
10 minutes to go.
Okay, so quicker than him through there. We can just make him think about it and get a bit carried away. You never know, do you? I don't want us to battle too much and then let people catch up. I think we're okay. We've got quite a gap. So he's on the edge, isn't he? I'm relatively comfortable at this speed. Sort of mid-30s is where I can manage. I do have a little bit here. It's now the time to go. We go early.
30.54.
I'll just keep pushing him. See if I can get a mistake out of him. Obviously willing to defend quite hard, isn't he? He doesn't want to be in second. Why not to give him any respite? Make him think about every corner. Is that when I'm going to come? Nice run this time.
Car right. 30.478. You've got the fastest lap. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Clear on the right. Left side.
Okay, I didn't give him the room that time.
Still there. Clear on the left.
Okay, how far have we got behind? 4 seconds, so I'm not so bothered about that then. That's okay.
Don't move from braking, please.
Keep pushing him. Definitely looks a bit wayward, doesn't he? Need to get up his inside, really.
Loser, waving is for loser.
Still there. Clear on the right.
Okay, he learned his lesson that time.
That's not the way to race, Jean-Francois, but you are French, so...
Somebody not liking weaving. I don't like weaving either, I have to say. Well, he's not broken yet, has he? The only place he's giving me the
That's
inside
not
is here, isn't it? So,
That's not racing.
it's a bit slow up here.
5 minutes to go.
I have to see where the track is. He's in the way so much. Just need to be on him, don't I, when he makes a mistake.
Right side. Stay on the left. Still there. 30.845. Stay on the left. Clear on the right. Car right. Clear.
Well, did we have enough room? What do you reckon? I thought I gave him room. Let's have a look at that replay. Get back on him anyway. He just outbrake himself, I wonder. Oh, he nearly went then, didn't he? I nearly followed him. Okay, well, let's close back up down the straight.
.631. The leader is running. 31.161.
I think I gave him lots of room.
Clear on the left.
He made a mistake there, didn't he?
7. Just set the fastest lap. 30.32.
Okay, well, let's see if we can get away. back marker ahead.
Risky move, mate.
Okay.
You just got the white
flag.
That means one more lap to go.
Yeah, but I think we both respect the other. Try to go.
30.077. You just hit the
everything
fastest
fine.
lap. Slow car ahead. Car stopped ahead. Go left. There's an incident ahead. Right side. You're in first.
Okay.
Clear on the right.
Let's hold it together then. Got through there, haven't they? Yeah, I wasn't going to give him the inside that. Okay, I just got to hold it to the line, haven't I? And actually, he's dropped back a little bit. I think I've got him. Hey! Finally, one good race. Oh my god. It's taken a lot of time, that has, to get to that point. Oh, pleased with that. We'll have a look at that replay. I thought I gave him enough space. I don't know if he went wide or what, but we'll see.
You won.
Then we can look at the other ones, other errors and incidents. Okay then, so here's us coming down the straight. I'm on the outside and I just braked as late as I possibly could. Later than I had done, and just sent it around the outside. Yeah, and he's way offline, isn't he? That's why we touched. I think you'll see it better from the rear angle. So here we come, and coming down, giving him plenty of room. I've not turned in on him. Yeah, he's a long way off the inside, isn't he? But anyway, we came through, we got it, so I'm pleased with that. Okay, let's have a look at the rest of the incidents then. So we got a really good start. Number 7 just didn't move, did he? So that was it then, really, pretty much. And then if we look at what happened behind, I guess, oh gosh, we were lucky. We nearly got hit, and then a load of people just went off. And that was it, really. Oh gosh, he made a mistake there. Is he going to make another mistake? Looks like it. Went down too many gears, I think. Easy to do. Now what have we got? Hey! Well, that's race ending, isn't it? Is it going to go wide or just cut across? No? Oh, it's close. And that was it. Okay, well, let's have a look at the results and where we are in the championship then. Okay, so that was top split then, out of 6. Managed to get some safety rating, which is good. Got some I rating, which is good. And got the fastest lap. So I guess you could say that's the perfect race, isn't it? So, yeah, I haven't got into the 29s. People are doing 29s all over the place, and I haven't been able to get into the 29s. It was a pretty quick race, wasn't it? Everyone was pretty quick here. But yeah, quite pleased with that. I'm glad to leave this track behind. Like I say, I've done quite a few races. Let's have a look at the championship, shall we, and see where we are. Okay, you can see, look, today I've done how many? I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 races I've done today. So my best result, 105. I did the race earlier in the week as well. So we'll just have a quick look at that. And my best result was 57. So I've done a bit better than that, so I'm quite pleased. Where that puts us in the championship, I'm not sure. As it takes a little while for the results to come through. So maybe we'll have a look next time. But yeah, let's just see. So we are 65th in Division 2. Hopefully we'll get a few more points because I don't think it'll be showing us. Let's just see. I don't think it'll show us the 105 we got. No, I think 71 was the best. But we got 105, so we'll be a little bit higher up. And then in Division 2, let's just see where we are. We're in the top 20. We're in the top 25. Not too bad. And we should go up a little bit higher, maybe 22nd, something like that. Anyway, I'll keep on pushing. Next week, we've got Lebanon. Not my favourite, but we'll have some fun, see what we can do. Anyway, if you want to see that, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.